When was the National Commission for Women was set up as statutory body in India? Answer is C. 1992. The Benin bronzes are a group of sculptures originally found in which present day? Answer is B. Nigeria. Gopabandhu Sambadika Swasthya Bima Yojana is being implemented in which state? Answer is B. Odisha. Special 301 report, the flagship report released by the US, is associated with which sector? Answer is B. Trade. Crimson Solar Project is a mega solar energy project is to be set up in which country? Answer is D. USA. Pranati Nayak is an Indian sportsperson qualified for Tokyo Olympics in which sports? Answer is B. Gymnastics. Crew 1 is associated with which agency? Answer is B. SpaceX. Which body permits telecommunication companies to conduct trials for 5G technologies in India? Answer is B. Department of Telecommunication. INS Kolkata arrived Port Swick to bring liquid medical oxygen and medical supply from which country? Answer is B. Kuwait. Who was Manas Bihari Burma? Answer is B. Aeronautical scientist. Lumpy skin disease which causes prolonged morbidity in cattle and buffaloes is a dash disease. Answer is C. Viral. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2021? Answer is A. Science as Technology for a Sustainable Future. What is the name of the largest African forest antelope classified as critically endangered species by IUCN? Answer is D. Bongo. Which institution has set up a 12-member national task force to enhance public health response to the pandemic? Answer is C. Supreme Court of India. May 8 or 9 is observed as the time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the which war? Answer is B. Second World War. What is the name of the condition in which human does not release the drop in oxygen level and continue to perform normal activities? Answer is B. Happy hypoxia. NASA partnered with which space agency for the first private mission to the International Space Station? Answer is D. Axiom. The world's largest and most powerful space telescope, James Webb Space Telescope, was developed by which agency? Answer is C. NASA. IIT Ropar's new mobile cremation system works on the principle of dash. Answer is B. Wick stove. Sevuth, which was making news recently, is a festival celebrated by which category of religious people? Answer is A. Jews. Which independent regulator is mandated to oversee compliance with accounting and auditing standards by certain companies? Answer is A. National Financial Reporting Authority. Long March 5B, whose debris landed in the Indian Ocean, is the launch vehicle of which country? Answer is C. China. Which Indian state is the first to launch the online flood reporting system? Answer is B. Assam. What is the outlay of the PLI SIM for advanced chemistry cell battery storage? Answer is B. Answer is B. NASA partnered with which space agency for the first private mission to the International Space Station? Answer is D. Axiom. The world's largest and most powerful space telescope, James Webb Space Telescope, was developed by which agency? Answer is C. NASA. Two classified Yogan satellites have been launched by which country? Answer is C. China. Kunduli proposed reserve forest where 18 elephants have recently died is situated in which state? Assam. Tejaswini Shankar, who was making news recently, is associated with which sports? Track and field events. Answer is B. Who topped the 50 greatest leaders list recently released by Fortune? Answer is A. Jacinda Ardern. Which state has proposed to control microfinance by way of a state legislation? Answer is A. Assam. Cranes have been observed to return to which country after a period of 300 years? Answer is B. Ireland. UN Global Road Safety Week is a biennial global road safety campaign hosted in which month? Answer is B. May. Where is Raman Research Institute located? Answer is C. Bengaluru. Dermatology Assist is an all-powered tool to detect skin disease introduced by which company? Answer is B. Google. Thromboembolic events, which is often seen in news recently, has been associated with what? Answer is COVID vaccine. INDRP Attribution Tribunal, which was making news recently, is associated with which field? Answer is B. Answer is B. Answer is B. Where is the 2021 G7 Health Minister meeting scheduled to be held? Answer is C. Oxford University. 90% of the world's rhino population is found in which country? Answer is A. South Africa. Gladius Sports, which was making news recently, is a place located in which planet? Answer is D. Jupiter. IIT Guwahati has developed a smart window material using electro-tunable glass. What is it used for? Answer is A. Climate control building. Pharmacy, the online pharmacy, is set to acquire which company, which would make it the largest online pharmacy of India? Answer is C. MedLife. What is the minimum monetary quantum of offence above which Fugitive Economic Offenders Act becomes applicable? Answer is D. 100 crore rupees. Which ministry has formulated a policy paper on circular economy in electronics and electrical sector? Answer is B. Ministry of Electronics and IT. Cabinet has approved the opening of a new Consulate General of India in Abu City in which country? Answer is B. Maldives. What is the estimated food grain production in the current crop year 2020-2021 as per third advance estimates? Answer is C. As of May 2021, how many non-self-governing territories are present across the world? Answer is B. 17. Which Union Ministry has launched the Eclipse and After Festival? Answer is A. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The Reserve Bank of India fined which leading bank for irregularities found in its auto loan book? Answer is B. HDFC Bank. What is the new name of the Indian Broadcasting Foundation, the top body of broadcasters? Answer is B. Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation.